If you want to create YouTube videos but you don't have fancy equipment, then don't worry, because if you have a phone with a camera, then you have all you need to get started. And in today's video, you'll discover how to create a YouTube video using just your phone. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where we give you the tools, tips, and strategies so you can create an online affiliate marketing business, because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. Shooting videos on your phone can be a fun and great way to get your channel started. And the excuse, I don't have all that professional equipment, isn't valid, because many of the top YouTubers started using their phones and still shoot many of their videos using their phones today. I also think that shooting on your phone, especially the phones on the market today, offers content creators the flexibility to produce amazing looking videos in many different amazing settings that you can't reproduce in a studio or with big, bulky professional video equipment. For instance, right now I'm shooting this video on my iPhone 11 and I am taking my dogs for a walk, and this frozen lake behind me can provide a more engaging backdrop than, say, my studio backdrop. Also, most of us carry our phones with us wherever we go, and we never know when the opportunity to shoot a video presents itself. And you can use your phone to do different types of videos, such as vlogs, demos, instructional videos, reviews, B-roll footage, and other action type shots. And leave me a comment down below and let me know the types of videos that you like to create using your phone. But to produce quality videos, there are a couple of tips you need to keep in mind. And if you stay to the end, I will tell you how you can make money from your videos, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours yet. Okay, so tip number one is to make sure you hold your phone horizontally. You don't want to hold your phone like this, because then you'll have the black lines on the side of your video. Okay, tip number two is to make sure you stabilize your camera. For instance, I made the mistake at the beginning when I was filming some videos, and I just held my phone while I was walking and it was really shaky. So now I'm using a little tripod to help stabilize my phones. Or you can use two hands, you can use a selfie stick, or you could use a tripod. And I'll leave a link down below for the equipment that I use. You just want to make sure that your video isn't doing something like this. Okay, tip number three is to have great sound. Now, when I was originally shooting this video, I was on a ski hill and there was a ton of background noise. There was the skiers, there was the wind, and you don't have to have an expensive microphone. You can get a really cheap lapel microphone that'll fit right into your phone. Okay, tip number four is you want to have great lighting. So right now it's easy because I'm outside and I have the light facing me. Now, if I turn around like this, I've probably darkened up, and you don't want this kind of lighting. So you don't want the light shooting directly at the camera. And if you're in a studio, then you want the light to be facing you and not facing behind the camera. So make sure that you have really good lighting. Tip number five, if you're going to use selfie mode, then make sure you look directly into the camera and you're not looking at the screen. Do I look here, or do I look here, or do I look here? Because people can tell if you're looking at the screen. So for instance, right now I'm looking at the screen. Also, if you can, use the normal camera and not the selfie camera, because the normal camera typically has better video quality. Tip number six, unless you are doing a vlog, have a plan for your videos, either an outline or a script. I used to produce videos from the cuff and I would ramble, and they didn't end up doing well. So make sure you have some sort of idea of what you're gonna say in your videos. So those are my 6 tips for creating a video on your phone. Now, once you create your video, unless you're absolutely amazing on camera, you're going to need to edit them. And I'll leave a link up top for a video that I put together, shows you how you can edit your videos really easily. Now, one of the ways that you can make money from your YouTube videos, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have 1,000 subscribers yet or 4,000 watch hours, which means you can't monetize them on YouTube yet. If you're using products in your videos, you can put links in your description, and if people buy those products, then you can earn a small commission. And this is called affiliate marketing. For instance, in this video, if I were a good skier, which I'm not, but if I were, I could do different reviews of skis and skiing equipment I like and recommend. And I can put links in my video descriptions where people can go buy those skis. And if people buy those products using the link I provided, I can earn a small commission. And I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can go check out a free webinar that'll teach you how you can create a 6 or 7 figure affiliate marketing business. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel as I'm putting out weekly content. And make sure you smash that bell so you're notified whenever my new content comes out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey everyone, I'm coming from... Hey everyone, I'm coming live. Oh, I'm not coming live. Very great way